Hello and welcome to another weekly market outlook this week. My name is Stanislav Bernikov, I'm a senior trading specialist at Exness. In this video, I will share with you the potential idea for this week. But before tuning into this week's idea, let's check the performance of a previous week's idea. That was a potential long for gold with a target area around 2010. However, the destination was not achieved by gold as it plummeted back to 1970. However, the trend is still valid and this target might be achieved within the next 2 weeks or so. This week, however, we are focusing on Nasdaq index on the long side. The price of Nasdaq had closed above two important references, the 20 and 50-day moving averages, and had produced the 8-day rally, which is a sign of strength. The price is consolidating now, and if it corrects back to the area of 14,950, it may revert back and continue moving within the bullish trend with a target of 15,250 and above. What is the foundation of this idea? First of all, markets are within the earnings season, and usually stocks get support when we have such seasonal situation. Technological stocks such as Apple, Google, Microsoft had produced decent earnings with positive earnings surprises and had provided good guidance for the next quarter, so that's a support for tech stocks. Technological sector feels well in comparison to other sectors such as financial or real estate or whatever other sector. Jerome Powell, chief of Federal Reserve, had delivered the soft message during his latest press conference. He had said that Fed had maintained balance between the risks of recession and inflation. In other words, traders might think that the hiking cycle is potentially over, and that is a support for cyclical assets such as cryptocurrencies and stocks. What is the narrative behind this idea? As I've said, it's earnings season on the one hand. On the other hand, October and November are two best months for S&P 500, so statistically, we are in the middle of the best performing month. Softening Fed again provides the support for the markets. What traders need to pay attention to? First of all, the important piece of the news would be, of course, the speech of Jerome Powell on Wednesday, but he will hold another speech on Friday during the Veterans Day. And Christine Lagarde will hold the speech on Friday too at 12:30 GMT. Volatility may pop up during these publications 2, 3 or 4 times during the day, so be prepared and protect your positions at all times. In summary then, the idea for today is potential long for Nasdaq if it corrects back to 14,950, after which it may reach 15,250 and above. The foundation of this idea is a strong earnings season along with softening Fed narrative, which provides the support for stocks. Traders need to pay attention to speeches of central bankers this week, including 2 speeches of Jerome Powell and 1 speech of Christine Lagarde on Friday. Don't forget, this is just the idea, do your own research and never forget to manage risk.